Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you this little project that I've been working on for a little while now, but then I just keep going to something else. But I've been working on these pinwheels. I saw this on Craftpurge on her video. She did a tutorial, so I'll link that below. And so that's what I created. Really cute. Now I've been trying to find just plain gold straws, and I can't find them anywhere. So this kind of reminds me more of a Christmas theme pinwheel. So I tried to change the paper a little bit. So I created these ones here. Then I moved on and I created, this one here, just a different type of paper and with a white straw. I didn't put anything on the bottom. I didn't quite finish that one. And then I did these ones. And I love the color of the paper. And it was double-sided paper on these ones, so it was perfect even on those. So I created those. And I really think they're adorable. I changed it up with the green leaves and the thread, and I didn't really care for that. I really like the gold, how it pops out. So then I started working on the pink. And it was this. And I went, it's too white, and I thought maybe I'll glitter it. Maybe use this type of glitter and use the, what's it called? I can't remember what it's called, but glossy accent. And I said, well, maybe I'll try that. But then I said, let me check, see what thread I have. So I moved to my gold thread that I have, ribbon, sorry, and it's this one here. So it's just the gold. And I put two-way tape from one side of the straw around to the other, and I just wound it, and that's what I created. So if I can't really find the gold straws anywhere, so I figured, well, I can make my own gold straws. So then I created these, and then I just put flat back pearl on the bottom. On this one, I just used the pom-pom just to do something different. However, oh, and there's another one there. So my favorite that I think turned out amazing, look at these pinwheels. Let me move these out of the way. Look at these ones. I put some bling, so I put some beads on the bottom. So what I did was I found these were on clearance at Michael's, and they got the really big holes. And in order to stick those, I have these party picks, and they're just the plastic picks like that, and they just have the round ball at the end. And then I just took the bead, I used glossy accent, and then or hot glue. I kind of went between two of them if it didn't stick well. And then I just put them on, put more hot glue or glossy accent, and let it hold. And I just let them sit for a while if it was the glossy accent. And I did that. And then I do have one here. Then I put this up inside. And I pushed it because I already had it sealed on the back. So it was already sealed, which made it nice and strong and stiff in there. But I put glossy accent on it here and just put it up through the straw. And then that's how I did a silver one. That's how that one turned out. So you can see the little beads on the bottom. And then I did that one. I think I should have made the straw a little bit shorter. I don't know. Tell me what you think. So I did that one. Then I did one with white iridescent or really cool color inside with the 3 beads on the bottom. You can see like the little pick on the bottom, and it just covers that hole perfectly. It just fills it. So it looks like that. This one I think is too long. I think I could have went a little bit shorter, but then with the pick, I might have had to cut the pick a little bit. So basically it looks just like that, and that's what I did. So that's what I was working on today, trying to complete it. It's been sitting on my desk here for quite some time. So that's what I've been working on. So let me know what you think, and if anyone has any ideas on some gold straws, let me know. I would like to buy them. If you have any ideas where I can pick them up, that would be perfect. We don't have anything here at the Dollarama, or I don't have a Dollar Tree here, so I've been looking. I haven't seen anything online either, so let me know what you think of my blinged out pinwheels. All right, guys. Bye.